Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're playing build a boat for treasure, and yeah. So as you guys could see in the last short, is anyone on the red team? Yeah, no one's on the red team. Okay, so pretty much, as you could see in the last video, I had that like really good thing, and then I died at the end. It's pretty much this. So you pretty much need, all you need is this and all of these things. What you do is you get on, do this, do that. Now you have to be stuck for this to work, so yeah. Now you can just start moving. Now if you jump, you start flying. Now, what the hard part is you're sometimes gonna fall like that, and you're gonna need to get back up. And you could be near a lot of rocks while that happens, so it could break. Now, you have to go fast if you want to win. So you just go like this. Now, when you go all the way to right at the end, you're gonna have to slow down because you're gonna die. Like, you're gonna fall off the map. So now when you're like this, you have to, if you're like me where I'm high in the sky, you're gonna have to break, and you have to be able, you have to be right on. Oh no, wrong spot. Oh, are you kidding me? I'm at the wrong spot. Now, if you have a jetpack, that's gonna be really good because if you die like how I did, you just fly. So pretty much. Sorry. You get to, so you can save it, where it's like this. It's a 3x3 with that thing. Now, if you're on computer, you're gonna have to do this. You're just gonna have to press T, and then it goes up like that. That's pretty much what you're gonna have to do. So now, if you save it, you just have to break that block. You have to get on. Now, you have to get on like this. Like that, yeah. And then you have to go find this block right here. Then you do that. Then you know that I'm trying to move right now, but you can't. So I can't. But now I can. And now you can head in other people's things. Hey guys. So yeah, what is going on there? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna go take one. I'm just gonna go. They had a pet fox. Yeah, that's their pet fox. Yeah. I don't feel good today, guys. Well, I'm fine. Just this morning cough. I'm recording this at 9:04 a.m. No, not on this. See what happened? Yeah, you're gonna die like that. I forgot to get a jetpack. Oh well. Time to die by a mine. Yeehaw! can't take this. I really can't take this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go to my saved, and I'm gonna show you another saved one that's like it's pretty good. People can do better than it, but for me, it's pretty good. It's my second best. I'm gonna head over to that person where they have a pet fox. And that's blue. Let's see. I need to grab one of the. Oh, I can't do it when someone else has done it. Ah! Yep. Well, let's go. I'm really proud of the last video I made, because I've like never made a video that hard. Well, I kind of have, but it's my favorite idea. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. What? No! I died with it. Okay. Now this other one, I'm just gonna name it Fly. Load. Yeah. I don't know why I've kept sorry. Or whatever I'm trying to say. I actually want to put a wheels under it. No, that's really hard. I wonder what. Oh yes, we need these. We need these definitely. Oh my gosh, I can connect a bunch at a time. Okay. So now we got that ready. Launch. Wait, no, I did not mean to do this. No, people, stop. No. Are they all popping? No. They're not popping. What is going on right now? Oh, that's fireworks that people have launched. Oh, no, please, no, guys, no. Help me. Okay. We're launching. Yay. No. Definitely no. What is going on? No, fly. No, up. No. I'm dead. No. Stop. Ah! I should not have put the balloons on there. Yikes. Ah! Well, I don't know what to do. Fly. I need to rename this to Fly. Wait, why is there still cap locks? Yes. Fly. It's my favorite one. It's called Fly. And oh yeah, I already showcased this. Oh wait, what? 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 No. We've talked about this. We've talked about this airplane. You never do that. Oh no. No, 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 please, no, 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 please. I'm almost there, please. No, no. Okay, we're almost there. Just head out. Head down. Head down, head down, head down, head down. We're heading down. Yes. I made it. I did it. Well, it's gonna be the end of the video. I'm not gonna be able to make much video. I'm not gonna be able to do much today. So yeah, have a good one and see you guys in the next one. Bye.